That's hard for me.
Come on. Oops. She's in neutral.
Would I be able to go up this hill in first gear?
Yeah. You okay? Yeah. Oh, nice. You already got the bike up.
Yeah, I've been doing strength training.
Again, this is all we're doing is I'm doing a figure 8 here. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, I don't know. That's hard for me.
That's...
Okay, how do I start it back into the
One?
the bike?
Like that?
Yeah.
You have a kickstand.
Oh, okay.
So, you okay?
Yeah, she's just a beast of a bike. God, she's heavy.
And you make a left, and then you do it back. Figure 8. And the reason we do that is to practice turning on both the right and left.
Oh, that's really tight for me. I was just gonna try to go through the trees.
If you want to go through the trails, we can. But this is what I work on all day. This is what makes you way better. What's up, buddy? You want to ride the trail? Come on. Come on. Dinosaur. Uh-huh. Come on. Here, take these. You're okay. Ready? Follow Dad. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Woohoo!
Oh, my bad, sorry.
Good save, good save. Go, go, go! Great job!